we all agree this is your favorite program?
Yes.
Okay.
Talk about it.
This is your favorite mission, huh?
This is the last program that we do, so it's not free.
Oh, well. Perfect. Good.
Well, it sure did a nice job of what it did there, huh?
Yeah.
You said that's the last program you did?
Yep. Yeah, like
And it was your favorite, huh? Why is that?
Well, it brings in the most points.
Ah,
And I think we worked on that program the longest of all the programs.
maybe because you learned going, getting there, huh?
Yeah.
There you go.
So why did you decide on these obstacles? Oh, wait, did you already answer that? Yeah, because it did
Well,
give you the
we
right
can
point.
just like do it in order, so you can do like multiple missions.
So did you use any sensors? No sensors.
No, go ahead.
Well, we did try out the color sensor on this one, but we sort of had to choose between programs since we were over our time limit of 2 minutes and 30 seconds, so we didn't end up choosing that one, but we
You worked with
definitely
it.
tried it, yeah.
Do you have any programs to show it us? Program code or something?
Yeah, you have some programming code you can show us just to,
See?
Wait, no, we don't have to.
did you all kind of contribute to the program or how did that all work?
Well, in the beginning, we all tried programming, and we found that people really liked it, or they were just kind of in the middle. So people in the middle kind of just liked the project, and people that liked the robot, they would do robot. But in the end of our meetings, we would all talk about what happened in the robot and what happened in the project.
So did you finish your robot games? All the robot games?
I think we have one more, don't we?
Yeah, we have one after
more.
And how much is it your scores?
Yeah, how's it go?
Our best one so far is 152.
Nice.
So you've all done this before?
Yes.
Yes.
As this team?
No.
No. How did it work coming together in this particular group?
The first year, we just had since it was the beginning, we just had a few people do it. And then the second year we had more people and we had 2 teams. And then the third year, all the people, because there's a lot of extracurricular activities that people want to do, so not everyone could do it again. So all the people that wanted to do it did it. And then our other team is the 5th and 6th graders.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, we were split up. We were split up last year. Like a few of us wanted to do this.
What are you most proud of? What's the most innovative thing that says Leaps Unleashed about this robot? One thing that stands out that you're especially proud of? I mean, it could be just that it does, it doesn't have to be one, maybe it's that it works, just whatever you think.
I like the bumper a lot because it hits this, it sometimes spins that, and it takes another thing right over here, gets it in there for 35 points, and it stops the ring from messing up the program.
So one feature works for many different things. That's one of the things, that's a very good thing to be proud of.
So you have is that your only attachment, or do you have more attachments to do different obstacles?
Plenty of attachments.
How many different missions or obstacles can you do?
We can do the soccer one, where we go behind the line to the goal, and we do this where it brings it over here to the ring, and then we do the door.
Okay.
And then all these.
And how many different attachments do you have to use to do all that?
We have to use 1, 2, 3, 3.
Okay.
Do you want to
Just
show
one
us?
attachment.
Like,
If there's anything else you want to show
like
us.
4 attachments for.
Yeah, okay.
This is that's an attachment.
But that's an
For
attachment
arms,
too. Okay, fair enough.
For arms, we have 3 different arms.
So how do you make the turns and all that? Is it just pure odometry, like go this much and then take turn and all?
Yeah.
As opposed to sensors.
Sensors or
Yeah.
nothing else?
Yeah.
Okay. You don't use sensors.
No, it doesn't confuse me.
Was there a reason you didn't use sensors? Did you try it and
Okay, so the first 2 years, our sensors didn't work right. So we tried them at the beginning of the year, but they never worked right. But this year we got the color sensor to work, and we were gonna do a mission with it, but we found that we didn't have enough time.
So, can you run that software?
Are you able to run all the missions that you planned on
Oh,
running?
this needs to be like
In the
this.
allotted
It's a
time?
soccer
Mhm.
And you'll have enough time to like change your attachment when your robot comes back to the base?
Yeah.
Do you have designated people that are the attachment people and get it started?
Those two do
Well, we
it.
sort of swap off. Like, I normally put on this, and he normally puts. Vincent normally puts his on.
The ball is there on the corner.
Oh, this.
Right. It's in the corner.
Oh, there.
Yeah.
Oh, it's red.
There.
Are you holding your breath or are you counting? Oh, that was close.
That's cool.
Yeah.
There's the base.
So how do you feel as a team when you see your robot do all that?
I feel pretty good.
More at an angle like this.
Yeah, the cool thing, all the work that we put into it coming together.
Yeah,
I can put something on the back.
Yeah.
Make sure it doesn't fall.
What was your biggest challenge?
The ring, at first we had set it up wrong, so the ring was facing the other way, and we had the program working, and then we figured out that the ring had to be turned like that, and so we had to change the program.
Well, you probably would, wouldn't you? Yeah, go ahead.
Like after each practice, we had it in like a school classroom. So we had to take all of these things off of the board. So one practice we had it like that, like our first practice, and our second practice we put it the other way and thought that was the right way. So we made the program for that the entire time the other way. Then like a few practices ago, we figured out that that wasn't the right way.
Yeah, same with that one. We always thought that this went like this, and all we needed to do was turn this, but it wasn't. It was set up
Like
right
that.
Yeah.
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 Well, that's a good thing to learn. So you feel like you learned things. That's the theme this year, right? So,
Yeah.
We got one
Got 2
other.
minutes left.
okay.
We have one other program.
Is there something else you want to show us too?
Oh, sure. It's which one? The door or the? Well, the door doesn't bring in as much points, but
Is your robot pretty durable?
yeah. We've dropped it.
Yeah.
That's a good answer. You're not lying to us, you know that.
Yeah.
Oh, that never happens.
Yeah, I think we're in.
Okay,
I think
just
we're
try
in.
it again.
I think it's just already.
Oh yeah. Take it out. That never happened. Oh yes, what is?
Was there a lot of trial and error in this?
Yeah.
A lot of
Yeah,
testing? That sounds like a yes. So did you keep track? Did you have a method of keeping track of your testing? And there it is. Okay. And did you make sure? How did you make sure that you could repeat the tests? If it just did it once, did you just mark it off, or did you?
Well, our rule was if you did it 3 times and nothing happened, then you had to change something. So, like, okay, so if we, sorry, that was really confusing. Okay, but like, so before we changed it, we would keep on like, oh, it'll work, we just need to set it up different. But the rule was we can only try it 3 times with the same like computer programming.
Okay.
And so we had to change something and write it down so that we knew what we changed. And only one thing at a time.
Change control. All right.
30 seconds.
We also always saved our program before we changed something, just in case we changed something or we forgot about it. We didn't know what was going on with our program.
And we added
Frequent saves.
we took the comment boxes and put in what it was before we changed it, like 0.9 rotations. We'd put that in the comment box if we changed it to like 1.2 rotations.
So you keep track of the changes to your program, huh?
Yeah.
So which ones have you programmed the most? Or did you all? Oh, you did?
Alright everybody, this time we've got
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.